Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you an online sales pro review. And the question is it even still worth it in 2020? All right, and we're going to cover that here in this video. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the review, and I hope you get massive value from what I'm about to share with you. All right, so with that being said, let's do it. All right, so right off the bat, you see it says getting started, 3 simple steps. So this is pretty much what it's going to look like when you get inside of your back office, and then you want to go here and you want to click start now. All right, so the whole purpose of you clicking that start now button is so they can take you through a tour so you can get an understanding of the actual online sales pro system. So right here, you can see you want to come to watch this video. Take some time to watch this video. Once you watch this video, just continue going throughout the steps. Now, you hit go to step 2. Now on step 2, basically all this is going ahead. It's giving you the opportunity to go ahead and download the app. Now once you download the app, boom, you're set up as far as getting your stuff good to go. So that way when you start generating leads, they're coming in and you can respond to those leads in real time. That's the true purpose of the actual Online Sales Pro app. All right, now after you do that, after you download that, you want to go ahead and hit go to step 3. All right, the next thing is to connect your autoresponder. Okay, so if you're already, building your list with GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, or MailChimp, any one of those, you're good to go with the Online Sales Pro system. All right, then after you set up your autoresponder, you're gonna go ahead continue your training. All right, so now this is the actual system training. So the system training is going to be all about the system. Okay, I mean that's pretty straightforward. It's going to show you how to edit funnels. It's going to show you how to use the quick editor. It's going to show you how to set up your autoresponder. Everything that's revolving around the system. Okay, now we want to go over to marketing training. So there's really 2 things that you should be focusing on in any business, and that is marketing skills and leadership skills. But the thing that is literally 90% of your success is going to be your mindset. Right? So those 3 things, once again, mindset, leadership skills, and marketing skills. If you focus on those and you continuously do that, I'm telling you, you're going to see results. All right? All right, so marketing training. So you got the 3 pillars of digital marketing success. You got the foundation of setting up funnels. You have different traffic sources that you can kind of dive in deep. And then you got the engagement training. You got the Google 4-pack training, right? You got tons of marketing training here from 6, 7, and 8-figure earners. So what it's really going to come down to is, what do you do with the information that you have here if you decide to, use the first link in the description and get started with Online Sales Pro? It's going to be up to you to stay consistent and going through these trainings, taking notes, implementing what you're learning inside of here. Because if you don't implement it, there's no way for you to actually generate a result. Okay, so that's the marketing training. Now let's go to the mindset stuff, because I love this, because like I said, in my opinion, it's 90% of your success. All right, so here we go. How to master your fears. The number 1 skill of the top 10 of all money earners in sales. Discover the one thing most successful people do every day. Right? So once you start to tap into the mind of the 6, 7, and 8-figure earners, that's pretty much what these calls are going to do for you. So now you can think like a 6, 7, and 8-figure earner, which is powerful. Okay? So that's the marketing, the leadership, and the mindset training. Now let's go to actually how to set up a page, right? So you could use this for your primary business, or you could use this to actually profit, with Online Sales Pro. All right, so when I click on the edit tab up at the top, I'm gonna show you real quickly how you can build a page in no time. So right here you can see it has templates. So quick templates, real estate, insurance, lawyers, restaurants, email templates, biz op. So if you're in any business opportunities, You could use some of those BizOp templates, quick sales templates, thank you templates, right? You can see they got a ton of different templates. You can literally just plug and play. Okay, so what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna build a real fast page. Okay, so we're gonna rock and roll with this one. So boom, this is the page that I decided to choose. So right off the bat, they show you numbers. Okay, these numbers correspond to these numbers over here. So all you do is pretty much match up so you'll know exactly what's going where. So this is 1 for the headline. Boom, if I wanted to change it, all I gotta do is literally just delete what's there and put what I want, okay? And then the same thing applies for each and every number all the way down. Now, if you wanted to change that button from that, to me, that's kind of like a dull blue, but if you wanted to change that color and you wanted to make it purple, you could do that. Or you can make it yellow, or you can make it orange. Any of these colors, you can change your button color to. And then once you set all that up for your capture page, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your affiliate link. That way, soon as they put in their information, they're sent over to your sales page. Now, these are more of the templates. When I do this, I set up a bridge page in between. And the reason I do that is so I can warm the people up and then take them over to what it is that that I want them to see, because really people do business with people. People join people, right? And if they're going through your funnel, they see the actual person that they may or may not lock arms with, right? That feels way better than just being sent straight to a sales page, right? So keep that in mind if you do decide to pick up Online Sales Pro after watching this video. All right, so right here, the next step is to create a page name. I'm just going to leave it as Quick 5 OSP 56. We're going to roll with that. And then right here, I'm going to go to advanced settings. Now, what you can do here, this is for the people that are already building their lists. You can go ahead and put the list name in here, but prior to that, you got to actually connect your API key. Okay, depending on which one you're using. I personally use GetResponse. Been using GetResponse for quite some time now. All right. So after you put your list name in there, then if you're somebody who wants to, do like retargeting and all that cool stuff, then you can literally just put your Facebook pixel in this box or your Google tag or whatever it is that you're using. And then after that, you're literally going to hit save and preview. And then it's going to show you what the page is actually going to look like before you actually make the page live. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Boom, a person hits the button. Basically a two-step process, and they put their information in, and then boom, I'm just going to hit done because that's what I want. So if that's what you want, then you hit done. But if that's not, maybe you don't like the button, just hit back to editor. Okay, so I'm going to hit done, for this video purposes. All right, so right here, boom, all I got to do is grab my link, hit the copy button here, and boom. Now, here's something I would recommend. I would recommend you actually go and get yourself a domain, because your branding is very important, right? You don't want to be sharing with people a raw affiliate link or the raw link to whatever page builder that you're using. So go ahead and get yourself a domain, maybe on GoDaddy or on Namecheap or whatever, right? Sometimes they're like 99 cents to get you a domain, okay? All right, so that's just some advice I wanted to give you. Now we're going to go over to the autoresponder page. So you may notice on the right side, I actually have it blocked out because I don't want to expose my API key to you here watching this video. And then on the left side, you can see all the businesses you can integrate with. So you can see here, Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, and ActiveCampaign. Okay, those are all the autoresponders they allow to be integrated with inside the Online Sales Pro system. Okay, so those are the autoresponders. Now I'm going to go over here to the leads page, and once again, the right side of the screen is blocked out, but on the left side, you want to pay attention over here. All right, so you can see 1,882 leads that I've brought inside of the Online Sales Pro system, and then right here they show your weekly stats. And then they show, they give you like some scripts, number one, so you can start closing some deals. and then they also give you the rebuttals. So this is the rebuttals over here. So if you're getting some type of some objections, then you can literally use some of the rebuttals that they have there. Okay, so that's the leads page. And then what we're going to go now is we're going to go over to the affiliate page. All right, so this is how you actually make money with Online Sales Pro, because you may have been a person who wanted to use this for your primary business, but then you may see how beneficial it is for your business, and you may decide, hey, I actually want to use this to actually make money, right? I want to share this with people because you see the true value. So what you want to do here is you want to go here to where it says sign up. You click the sign up button, right? Click on that. It's going to pop this up, and then the information is actually going to be there. Now, the second step is you're going to go ahead and fill out a W-9 or a W-8 if you're international, and a W-9 if you're in the U.S., okay? Now, the thing you want to know about the affiliates is affiliates are paid monthly on the 25th of each month for the previous month. So what that means is we are now in May. So whatever I would have done in January, February, March, April, May. So whatever I would have done in April, I would get paid for that in May. Or whatever I did in January, I would get paid for that in February. Hopefully that part right there makes sense, all right? And then as far as the threshold, you would have to at least have $50 made in order to receive your payment, okay? That's really all that means. And then right here, let's kind of talk about this real quick. So the essential product owners, they can earn up to 30% in commissions. The complete product owners, they can earn up to 40%, plus they can get tier 2 commissions. So let's just give you the scenario. So if you were to get started today using the link down below, and you actually, you saw the value in it, and you actually started to share it, then I could earn a percentage, and it would only be 10%. So you can see how beneficial that can be, and you can actually use Online Sales Pro to create another income stream for yourself, okay? So with the Essential, you can earn up to $239.10 for the year. So basically all that means is for any one of these that you sell. So let's say, for instance, you sell 2 or 3 of these, right? That's going to be $239 every single time for that particular product level. But then down here, you can earn more. You can earn $318.80 per each time that you sell that particular level, okay? So you can see here, 47, 97, 297, and 797. And then, of course, down here, tier 2, you can benefit off of what your tier 2 people are doing. Okay, so there's a lot of power in that. And if you ever have any issues, like all you have to do is just literally come down here, hit the support at onlinesalespro.com, and just let them know what your issue is, and they will definitely help you out. All right. All right, so that is the affiliate program. So now let's go over here to the links. So where do you get your links to promote it? Boom, they got everything literally right here for you. So boom, boom, boom. And this section right here is powerful because these are actually lead magnets. So when people opt in, they're opting in for whatever's being presented on the page using the lead magnet. They get value, and then towards the end of that, guess what? You could actually still make profit, right? You can actually still make commissions because they're promoting Online Sales Pro, but they're providing value on the front end. So there's a lot of power in that, all right? So this is where all your links are, and if you're somebody who does banner ads, you can literally come over here, click this, and it'll download the banner photos for you, and then you can go and set up your campaign on the banner network that you're using, okay? All right, and then this link right here is the demo link. This is a link that I was using a lot here in the past. So basically it's just a demo. It gives people like a demo of the product, let them see if it will be of value to them. Sorry, if it will be valuable, and then they get the opportunity to actually get started through that particular sales process, okay? So literally it's very simple to get started. This is the commissions page. I'm not gonna necessarily go over to the commissions page due to the fact that there's people's name, phone number, and etc. on the page, so I don't want to expose that. But so far, I've earned just about close to $2,500 just promoting Online Sales Pro. When I first got started, I was mostly using this more for my business. And then I was like, you know what? There's a lot of value with this. So I figured, hey, let's actually share this with other people because I see the value. All right. So that is Online Sales Pro. If you've seen value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you want to get started with Online Sales Pro, use the first link in the description down below. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.